Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best online stock trading brokers. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. When you buy and sell stocks online, it involves using an online broker that largely takes the place of a human broker. You still use real money, but instead of talking to someone about investments, you decide which stocks to buy and sell, and you request your trades yourself. As such, before you can trade stocks online, you will have to select an online broker. Your online broker will execute your trades and store your money and stock in an account. Traders who are searching for some of the best online stock trading brokers can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So, in this video, we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best online stock trading brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have FXCM. Forex Capital Markets Limited, or FXCM, is a spread betting CFD and Forex trading broker, authorised and regulated by the UK Financial Conduct Authority under the Forex Capital Markets Limited, and is part of the Leucadia Company, which offers users the ability to trade on Forex pairs, shares, indices, cryptocurrencies, and commodities, offering competitive spreads on a variety of currency pairs and CFD instruments. Available platforms are featured on MetaTrader 4, NinjaTrader, Zulutrade, FXCM's proprietary trading station, as well as Capitalize AI, which is a super system used for building your own trading model. Their proprietary trading station is supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems, and can be used as a web trading platform that can be accessed directly from your browser. FXCM offers only one type of live trading account for retail clients, but there is also a professional account if you are building or managing an institutional investment portfolio, as well as an active trader account if you're a high-volume trader. These accounts feature competitive spreads, lower leverage, lower minimum account deposits, up to 39 tradable currency pairs on active or standard accounts, and more. FXCM also provides their very own educational center, which delves into Forex trading for beginners guides, a plethora of training courses, a Forex educational video library, as well as their upcoming webinars for you to sign up to at any time if you are looking for a more in-depth educational experience with FXCM. At number 4 on our list is VantageFX. VantageFX is a transparent and secure broker, regulated with the ASIC and FINMA. With VantageFX, traders receive constant support through TeamViewer, fast and easy account opening, access to a range of features such as the Chart IQ platform, Zulutrade for social trading, and more. VantageFX specializes and provides services in trading through Forex, indices, energies, soft commodities, precious metals, and share CFDs. Available platforms are supported on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, Zulutrade, as well as the VantageFX mobile application, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are provided on standard STP, RAW, and Pro ECN accounts, with up to 44 tradable currency pairs, lower minimum deposits, lower spreads, and more. VantageFX also provides their very own educational panels, which delve into a variety of educational topics, such as an overview of forex trading, beginner's guides, manuals and video tutorials in MetaTrader functionality, and more for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with VantageFX. Coming in at number 3, we have FXTM. FXTM is a CYSEC and FCA regulated forex broker that was founded in 2011. They have more than 2 million clients worldwide, and you can open a trading account with them by depositing as little as $10 US. As an FXTM client, you will be able to learn, trade, and invest in a low-risk environment with tight spreads, premium quality resources, and personalized investment options. With FXTM, you can trade a variety of metals, stocks, CFDs, indices, forex pairs, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. This broker is an excellent option if you are interested in copy trading, with 3 flexible accounts to choose from, and we recommend FXTM for any type of trader. FXTM offers 3 types of trading accounts, which are featured on Micro, the Advantage account, and the Advantage Plus account, with low minimum deposits, a variety of tradable instruments, no commission fees on the Micro and Advantage Plus accounts, and tight spreads. All 3 account types can be used as demo versions for you to test out tools and features, with no risks attached. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and FXTM's proprietary award-winning mobile trading application. Their platforms are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FXTM provides a variety of beginner's guides and trading tutorials. You can use their Learning Center to learn more about trading, how to trade CFDs, how to trade in volatile markets, how to use trading strategies, and so much more. You can also watch webinars and videos conducted by expert traders for more insight into the markets. And you can download their trading ebooks to use as a reference when trading with your FXTM demo accounts, which can be a great educational advantage if you are searching for any additional educational material with FXTM. At number 2 on our list is Plus500. Plus500 is a popular online trading broker which has been in operation since 2008 and has multiple regulations in various jurisdictions and offers sophisticated online trading services to an array of traders from multiple countries around the world. With Plus500, traders have access to over 2,000 financial instruments, including Forex, indices, commodities, cryptocurrencies, shares, options, and ETFs. Plus500 features an advanced, user-friendly, and reliable trading platform using the competitive trading conditions offered, which is available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Plus500 features a demo account and one live trading account, which was specifically designed to cater to various levels of trading for beginners and professionals alike, regardless of their trading needs, objectives, or trading experience, to ensure that traders have a dynamic and secure trading environment. Plus500 also provides their very own educational panel, which delves into various beginner trading topics, an economic calendar, a variety of risk management tools, as well as a trader's guide, which covers a variety of popular trading strategies and guides to help you with any additional education that you might be looking for. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best online stock trading brokers, we have Tickmill. Tickmill is an award-winning ECN and STP broker that is regulated by multiple agencies and is available in more than 200 countries worldwide. As a Tickmill client, you will have access to a variety of trading tools and features, including Auto Chartist, My FX Book, virtual private servers, and more. If you are new to Forex trading, you can learn to trade using the educational resources provided and use a demo account to practice on. You can rely on daily Forex news updates to make sure you make informed decisions, and you can use technical and fundamental analysis reports and market insights to navigate the markets. With Tickmill, you can trade a wide variety of stocks, shares, indices, metals, energies, bonds, CFDs, Forex, commodities, and cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Cardano, and more. Tickmill offers a variety of trading accounts, including a classic account, which features a minimum deposit of $100 and spreads from 1.6 pips. Their Pro account has a minimum deposit of $100 with spreads starting from 0.0 pips. Their VIP account includes a minimum deposit of $50,000 with spreads starting from 0.0 pips. Tickmill's demo account gives you access to all the account features and more than 80 tradable instruments. And their Islamic account offers a no dealing desk model with execution speeds of 0.2 seconds. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the MetaTrader web trading platform. They also provide a wide variety of trading tools for all types of traders. Tickmill allows all social trading methods, enabling you to trade using MQL signals, auto trade, and even become a multi-account manager. As part of this commitment, Tickmill launched a project in collaboration with ForexClub.pl, the leading Polish Forex education resource and one of the most successful professional money managers in Poland. This course helps new traders get started with social trading, a fast-growing trend in the Forex industry. Tickmill also provides a wide variety of educational resources such as webinars, seminars, a variety of trading ebooks, a large repository of video educational content, infographics, and much more. If you are new to Forex trading or you are looking for a copy trading friendly broker with a wide variety of trading tools, we highly recommend checking out Tickmill. If you are not ready to deposit any real money into your live trading account with this broker, you can try a demo account that will give you access to all the tools and features that real accounts have. And those are some of the top 5 best online stock trading brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.